Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, it's Friday, last day of the week, working day. Yes, um, on today's in today's newspaper on Friday, May 2022. Yes, Friday the 13th. Wow. It's today, Friday the 13th. We have two regular puzzles. Puzzle number one, Sudoku Light. Puzzle number two, regular Sudoku, Sudoku Heavy. Two regular Sudokus. But we have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. 6 extra puzzles. A letter Sudoku we have here, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, the tectonic with 4 stars, yes. Then we have a tectonic with 1 star and a binary. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. So 3 puzzles in additional I will do, and these 2 regular puzzles. Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. And this will be a number 4545. Double 45, yes. Double 45. And in this puzzle, we have 9 big squares. Each big square has 4 printed digits. So total of 36 printed digits. 4 times 9, yes. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, should be easier than the 1 star puzzle. Well, for 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe in this puzzle, 12 minutes, 12 or 13 minutes. Okay, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about, let me see. 4, 5, a lot of 5s. Let me start with 5 then. 5 in this third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5. Should be there, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1 and number 5. Alright, how about the 6 then? 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Then. Yeah. How about? The 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes here. 4 in this row, so no 4 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in a row above. So that row, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next down, only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. All right. Okay. And then. How about? Well. Yeah. I'm thinking 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2, 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. One box left in this second column for number 1. We have a 2 in this row. The 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Do we have all the 2s? No. One box left for this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. One box left in this big square for the number 1. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, 7 and the 9. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. Two missing numbers. In this big square for numbers 1 is missing the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 5, number 8. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Digit number 6, number 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers, the final numbers of this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you, need 12 minutes or 30 minutes for a light Sudoku. And I like this one. Yes, double 45. And if you enjoy this one, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the second regular Sudoku. Heavy Sudoku it will be. Until then, bye-bye for now.